Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I contour my nose and how I do my lip combo. So I'll be doing it with these few products. So let's start with contouring my nose. So for this I'm going to use this lip pencil that I use for my lip liner. But then this one does really help me get that precise tip for my nose too. So I use this one rather than using a bronzer, which has like a very thick tip. Like my bronzer has like a very thick, can you see it? Like see how thick it is? So I would rather use this lip pencil to get that precise tip. So yeah, first I'm gonna start with lining over here, and then I just shape my nose down, then same thing over here. So you have to make sure that it goes in the same line as your nose line, like the same shape of your nose. And then you can just push your nose up and then draw a downward curved C like this, and then you can also draw like a line over here that's like right in the center of your nose. And then yeah, you can actually do it like a little more thinner, but my tip of my lip liner is like kind of curved right now because I haven't sharpened it. So this is the way I'll get it. So if you sharpen it, you'll get it like more thin and more precise. So now I'm gonna apply my concealer. So I'm using this one right here. This is my favorite one. And then I apply a little bit here and here and over here. Very little so that you can blend it with your own hands, because trust me, your hands can do the best blending magic than a beauty blender can. So this part you just blend it like tap blend, and then once you blend it a little bit with your hands, you can just use a concealer brush and then just make sure you do it in an upward motion so that you get it in the same shape as you've drawn it in, just to make it more defined. I'm just going to do it again and then just I've applied it again so that I get that more defined look. You can clearly see that it's kind of subtle, so that it doesn't change the shape of my nose, but it gives a more defined and sharp look. Yeah, that's mainly what I go for, and this is the way I contour my nose. And yeah, this is it. Basically, this is how simple it is. To make it clear, I've already done my base makeup, as you can see. So I just contoured my nose on top of my base makeup, which is basically I've put some foundation and concealer and bronzer over here, if you can see, and blush too, like a little bit. But then this makeup look, what I've done is basically focusing more on bronzer and like concealer more than the blush. So usually I do like a pink cheeky look, but then this time I've gone for more of a bronzer highlighting look. So that's what I have on right now. So now I'm going to show you guys my lip combo, for which we'll be using the same lip liner that I used to, you know, contour my nose. So this one, I like to start with my lower lip. I just like give this part like a thick lining. So yeah, make sure you don't go below your lip and to your skin on your, like, you know, this area, because then it might kind of look weird. So make sure you stay inside your lip itself, but then at the edge of your lip. Can you see that? It's like thick, but it's not outside my lip. So now next what we do is we're gonna do a V over here. Okay, once we are done with that part, you're gonna join the V. When you join the V, you get this plumpy lip kind of a look, so that's why I like to go with this. Then we just outline these two sides too. From the center of both lower and upper lip, just draw a line like this and like this. And that's basically my lip liner. Can you see how full my lips look right now? And that's why I love applying a lip liner before applying my lipstick or lip gloss, because it just gives that more plumpy kind of an effect, which I love, you know, on my lips, because I kind of already have like really small lips. So I like to do this squee and then joining that part so that I get that plumpy effect. And now we are gonna go and apply this lip tint, which I use as blush too, and this lip tint a little bit over here, this area, and on the upper lip over here, like on the inside part. Make sure you don't take too much of the product. I like to like dip it and then just strain the excess over here, and then a little over here. This one has like a lot of pigment, as you can see, so just apply like very little and that will do. Once we're done with that, just dab this product inside like this, and yeah. So once we're done with the lip liner and lip tint, this is how my lips look. Okay, now we're gonna go with the lip gloss, and I'm gonna use this one right here. But then this one is not available in India, so I made my uncle buy for me. So yeah, you can get this in, I think, anywhere abroad, but then not in India, so sadly. But yeah, I'm just gonna take very little. Can you see the kind of plump it gives? And this one has so much pigment in it, and it gives such a glossy finish, and yeah, that's why this is my favorite. And so this is it for my glossy lip combo that I've shown today. Some other day I might show you a matte one, which is more of a full brown nude look. So that will be mostly up for my next video. But for this one, this is it, and this was the way I contour my nose. I hope you guys found this easy and understandable, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. So see you guys in the next video. Bye!